Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I will demonstrate some of the core Amazon Web Services such as VPC, Subnets, EC2 instances, and S3 bucket. These services are commonly used to deploy and manage cloud-based applications securely and efficiently. Along with AWS services, I will also explain Apache, Maven, and Jenkins, which are widely used DevOps tools for build and automation. Let's start with Amazon VPC, which stands for Virtual Private Cloud. A VPC is a logically isolated virtual network in AWS where we can launch cloud resources such as EC2 instances. A VPC is created to provide network level security and isolation. It allows us to define our own IP address range, create subnets, configure routing tables, and control internet access. VPC is whenever we want full control over networking similar to a traditional on-premise data center. This video, we are working in the Asia Pacific Mumbai region. A VPC already exists, and inside this VPC, we will create subnets and launch EC2 instances. A subnet is a smaller network inside a VPC that divides the IP address range into smaller segments. Subnets help in organizing resources, improving security, and controlling traffic flow. You can create public subnets for internet-facing resources and private subnets for internal services. In this video, I'll create a subnet named Sports Scheduler with the CIDR block, which will be used to launch our EC2 instance. And next is Amazon EC2, which stands for Elastic Compute Cloud. EC2 provides virtual servers, also called instances, to run applications in the cloud. EC2, EC2 is used to host applications, run backend services, process data, and deploy websites. Here, I'm launching an EC2 instance named Sports Scheduler. I selected Ubuntu Server, which is a stable Linux operating system, and the instance type T3.micro, which is pre-type eligible. Key pair and instance status. To securely log into the EC2 instance, we use a key pair. A key pair consists of a public key stored in AWS and a private key downloaded by the user in .pem format. After launching, the EC2 instance enters the running state, which means the virtual server is active and ready to accept connections. Now, let's look at Amazon S3, which stands for Simple Storage Service. S3 is an object storage service used to store and retrieve any amount of data. It is commonly used to store files, images, videos, backups, logs, and documents. In this video, I created an S3 bucket named Sports Scheduler First Bucket 1 in the Mumbai region and uploaded multiple files such as PDFs, images, executables, and presentations. The upload process shows progress percentage, file size, and status, ensuring reliable data transfer. Now, coming to DevOps tools, let's start with Maven. Maven is a build automation and dependency management tool mainly used for Java projects. Instead of manually downloading libraries, Maven automatically downloads required dependencies using the pom.xml file. Next is Jenkins, an open source CI/CD automation tool used in DevOps. Jenkins automates tasks such as building code, testing, and deployment. For example, when a developer pushes code to GitHub, Jenkins automatically builds the project using Maven and deploys it to an EC2 server. In this video, we saw how AWS services like VPC, Subnets, EC2, and S3 work together. We also understood the role of Maven and Jenkins in building and deploying applications. These services form the foundation of modern cloud and DevOps architectures. Thank you for watching.